I had to make an insert to fit in the back of this stock. Somebody had drilled it out and filled it full of wax. I've never seen that before, but I guess it's a stabilizer. It keeps this along these sides here from being so thin. See how thin that is? And so I made a block that would just wedge and just push in there so I could hold it into my vise with this adapter. I'm going to rub it down with rotten stone now and give it a real good coat of wax, and I'm going to put some black linseed oil in the checking. It helps preserve it, and it gives it a nice rich tone. When I take butt pads off, I put the screws back in the same holes where they come out of, or I mark them. I don't even mix them up, because you never know when one screw thread is different from another, and I just don't take a chance with it. These are beautiful, beautiful screws. They've got a beveled head on them, and they're engraved really nicely. Beautiful screws, quality work. Rotten stone will produce a really fine luster. It's not real glitzy and plasticky looking. It's just a real slick, smooth finish. Very, very, very mild. It's probably 4,000 or 5,000 grit. You want to get all this rotten stone off of here with a brush. I use compressed air to start with. I take a toothbrush and cut the bristles down kind of short on it. It cleans that checking out real nice. You'll see the trademarks of a really fine shotgun. Look in there. That is quality. That is absolute quality. I had to take those side plates off to get to this wood up here at the beginning, at the front, because the hammers are up here. They cover it all up. You can't ever get to it to wax it. I'm going to take a little artist brush. I've got some linseed oil that I put black paint in, and it didn't take much really. It's a lot more linseed oil than paint. I just take this little artist brush and paint the inside of this checker. Then I take a piece of paper towel or toilet paper and wipe off the excess. In this case, instead of using wax, which I usually use carnauba wax, with this old finish, I'm just putting a dab of linseed oil on it and buffing it until it's dry. Linseed is a great preservative, and it has a real pretty sheen to it. I just like an old t-shirt. An old worn out t-shirt works really well. Cotton. Well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.